If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves working with textured, one-of-a-kind fabrics, you're in the right place. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, where every fabric tells a story, and every bundle is hand-selected to spark your next creative piece. Each week, I release a brand new play bundle every Tuesday and a sneak peek every Thursday so you can plan ahead. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Our first piece is a cotton silk blend. The coloring is espresso brown, medium brown, tan, ivory, all of those neutral shades there. It has a nice weight to it. It's kind of a lightweight, nice weave. You can see some texture there when you see the close-up. Not too heavy of a fabric. Our next piece, this is a Chanel type fabric. The color is Ecru and it's in a herringbone type of pattern, tone on tone pattern. It's very soft. It's a heavier weight. The backing is felt. There's a felt stabilizer attached to it, but the fabric is still rather soft. It's just a little heavier weight. That's all. And there's a good look at a close-up of the front there. Okay, our next piece. This is 100% linen in espresso brown coloring. It has a nice weight to it, a nice hand to it. This is a washed piece, so it is a softened linen. Close-up of the weave. A really nice neutral fabric to include in any project. Okay, our next piece. Okay, this is a upholstery type material. The front, the face of the fabric, it is a twill fabric. It's kind of a satiny brushed feel, very soft on the front. The back, there's a stabilizer, a woven stabilizer, so it does add a little stiffness to the fabric because of that stabilizer. It's still a rather soft and a not too heavyweight fabric, but that stabilizer does give it a little bit of stiffness. Okay, and our last piece, this is a silk fabric, a very flowy, very nice soft hand. There's a good close-up of the texture, front and back, same texture, same type of weave, so either side will work for your project. This is a raw type silk. The color is Ecru. You can see how nice it flows there. Nice hand. Okay, this is our Espresso Whisper Story Bundle. That's Espresso Whisper Story Bundle. Each play bundle is a small burst of inspiration. If you want larger cuts or companion fabrics, explore my foundation and curation bundles linked below. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access to new releases, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this week's Play Bundle. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media, slow stitching, and fabric collage. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.